This is a new technology right here. This is going to be our new masters. They'll be taking over any day now. You'll be bowing down to DJI.
We're going to name them on
our new master and overlord. Please spare us our lives.
What's going on, YouTube? Dorito
and the Luchicabra.
And we're going to go out on a limb and try something new today.
Not just a limb, people. There won't be any limbs.
Yeah.
Wide open spaces.
Yep, just complete air. We got ourselves the DJI Mavic Mini 3 Pro. And this thing has a follow me feature.
And it's going to follow me home.
And it's going to follow Luch while he runs the Baja 200 around the track. So, and this is a Tau Motor Baja 200 Sport. We're going to get this thing in chase mode, see if we can get him to follow him around on a mellow area. And we'll give you guys our review about it.
It's going to be great. I just feel it in my bones.
Yeah, I'm going to stick back holding the remote just in case.
Remember the last time you had a drone?
Yeah, I still got it.
Let's say a little prayer for that drone right now.
Yep.
All right, that's enough.
Yep. Let's get on with it.
Shall we? You know, I was really serious about that master and overlord thing. If you can really find it in your heart to spare my life, take the fat guy. He's better eatings. Oh, crap. What's up, Chip?